This is Aaron with anetcomputers.com with another video for you today. Where do you want to go today? Well, how about no sound after Microsoft Windows 10 update? So this video deals with how to fix no sound after a Microsoft Windows 10 update. You know what I'm saying? This one I fixed actually with System Restore. But let's read verbatim what this client claimed. I downloaded a Windows update and lost my sound and need it back. Remember Microsoft's slogan back in the day was, where do you want to go today? Well, how about a blue screen? Well, how about no sound? Now, they were using a Microsoft Windows 10 based operating system computer. What fixed this problem was a Microsoft Windows System Restore. You will want to restore your Microsoft Windows 10 operating system back to before you had this problem of no sound. And this individual actually did not know how to perform a Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. Now here are the instructions. The first thing you want to do is click on the Microsoft Windows 10 Start menu icon in the lower left-hand corner. Then you're going to want to select Search. And then in that search box, you want to type in System Restore. Then you want to click on Create a Restore Point. A System Properties window will open up. And then you should be taken to the System Protection tab of that window. Then you're going to want to click on System Restore. And then another System Restore window will open up. In that window, you can click on Next. And then in the window after that, the next window, you will be able to choose your restore point. If this option is available, you can place a checkbox in the Show More Restore Points if that's available. Sometimes that's not available. That's because you don't have enough restore points. So here is very important. You want to choose a date and time before you had this problem, before you installed this Microsoft Windows 10 update that destroyed your sound capabilities, you know what I'm saying? Because that's just how Microsoft rolls. Where do you want to go today? Oh, let's see, today, how about a quagmire? Okay, you just use Microsoft Windows operating systems and you'll get your quagmire. I digress back to this video report. So you just want to choose a restore point back to before you had this problem, if you remember when it was, you know what I'm saying? Then you would click Next. Now, in order to finally start System Restore, you would click on Finish. Your computer will have to reboot in order to restore back to that point in time. And then this is nothing new. This is just historical. All you have to do is perform internet search for for this problem, and you'll see thousands of blog posts. I don't know, whatever the numbers are. Okay, then once you click Finish, remember, now here are some additional tips. Once you click that Finish button, you never ever want to try to cancel the System Restore. You really can't, but well, that's not true. That's like a paradox, or I don't know. Technically, you could shut off the computer, you could restart. Don't ever do that. Once a Microsoft Windows operating system restore kicks off, do not touch your computer until it's finished rebooting. Don't touch it. If you power it off, if you reboot, if you disconnect the power cable, you may have caused massive quagmire, meaning Microsoft Windows 10 may not boot properly. You know what I'm saying? I just go into more details about it. Okay, now here's some additional tips if you do not have a restore point available. Or, now believe it, oh yes. So Microsoft caused the quagmire with their Windows 10 update. Well, then you try to kick off a System Restore. Oh, and then that fails too. This is an additional tip. You could try a Reset This PC instead. I'm not going to give you the exact instructions for a reset this PC. You just perform an internet search and you'll find it. A reset this PC is a little bit different. Caveat emptor. You know what I'm saying? It is not like a system restore. There are two options. One option allows you to save your programs and your data. A second option is basically a reset this PC, meaning it resets it back to what there's a certain specific succinctly piece of information. It resets it back, not necessarily to factory, but I think the last major upgrade. You know what I'm saying? Yes. However, it does not save your personal files and it does not save your programs. So there's two options with reset this PC. It is similar to a system restore, but not the same. Now this individual balked at that one. You know what I mean? Again, with a reset this PC, same rules apply. I think a reset this PC requires multiple boots, restarts. Don't mess around with your computer. Just leave it alone. A system restore, I would give it at least a half an hour, maybe longer. Depend. Just there's different variables. Same thing with the reset this PC. It can take a while. What other tips did I include? Oh, sometimes the Microsoft Windows System Restore will freeze up. And then what you can try to do is disconnect. Here's a bonus possible gold tip. Whenever you are, let's say, maybe even installing an operating system update or especially a system restore or a reset this PC, disconnect peripherals that you do not need. Printer, I'm not making this up. Printers, I don't know about a mouse, a universal serial bus mouse. If it has an onboard mouse, yeah, you could disconnect it. The external hard drive, a universal serial bus external hard drive. You know what I'm saying? Flash drives, universal serial bus flash drives. Yes, computers are not perfect. Operating systems are not perfect. They can be very flaky. I ran into a few problems with clients where what I troubleshooted is that there was some peripheral device connected and it actually caused the system restore to fail or freeze up, or you know what I'm saying? So if you're having problems starting the system restore or it fails, try that. Disconnect anything that you do not need. And I don't know about a mouse and keyboard, but hey, you never know. But especially certain peripherals. You know what I'm saying? My 8 minutes is up. Vamonos! Let's go. Let's roll out of here. You know what I'm saying? That's enough. That's enough information for you. So that was my video pertaining to how to fix a Microsoft Windows... No, how to fix no sound after Microsoft Windows 10 update. You can always browse to anetcomputers.com to fix your most common computer problems. You can also find out the other platforms available on the internet. YouTube.com/anetcomputers, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Trovo.live, Twitch.tv, and even Rumble. Adios. Oh, and good luck. Good luck using Microsoft operating systems. All right. Adios.